Are you finding it challenging to connect and engage with your community? Maybe your city, municipality, or county? Ask yourself, what are you putting out into the world?
Do they have a clear message? Are they having an impact? If it's not a hell yes, listen up. If your intention is to grow, celebrate what makes you unique, and attract residents and professionals to the area, you need to find a way to pull them in.
It's about educating others, showcasing your region's impact, but also inspiring people to come see it and be a part of it.
The challenge is not about telling your story, it's about creating real connections and trust.
Crafting a video for your town, municipality, county, or region pulls people in and captures the heart and soul of your place.
We are experts in storytelling in the public sector, so we understand the opportunities that you have as well as the challenges that you are facing. So let's chat.